we made our wish. We will find out if it comes true. And that's the figure of John Lennon. This is what you will come across when you search on Google about the Nerudova Street. And look at these views, guys. Good morning, guys. This is day 2 in Prague, and right now I'm at Charles Bridge. I woke up really early to take some pictures without the crowd. The sun is about to come up. I think it's around 7 that comes up, and afterwards I will tell you a little bit more about this amazing bridge and why it's so famous, and then we will continue exploring this beautiful city. So guys, the sun is up. It's 7:30 now. I took a nice time lapse, some cool photos, and now I came again at the beginning of Charles Bridge, which this is the old town bridge tower, and you can go up on this one, and I will do it later on because now I think it's closed. I will make my way towards Prague Castle, but in between that I will show you some cool things that you need to see on the way. You got here another statue, which his name is Carolo. And I will take you like a tour through this bridge and tell you a few things. Not too much because I'm not aware about this bridge. The only thing I read about is that it was an important bridge that was connecting the old town with the Prague Castle. It has 30 Gothic statues. The original ones, we saw them yesterday at the Prague Castle. And yeah, I got the names here on my map, and I will take you now without the crowds through Charles Bridge. The best time to come and explore this bridge is between 7 and 7:30 because then it will get really packed. So on my right we got Madonna with Saint Bernard. On the left it's Saint Ivo. And we will continue go towards the end, and let's look a little bit back of the tower of this side. We got here Madonna with Saint Dominic and Thomas Aquinas. On the left we got Saint Barbara, Margaret and Elizabeth. Moving on, it's the crucifixion of Jesus on the right, and on the left is Pieta. I will take you closer so you can see the detail on this. These are not the original ones. This is Pieta. Again, some view on the back. Moving on, we got on the right Saint Anne and Saint Joseph. One statue that I know about, and it's the most famous out of here, it's further on. So this is the Saint Anne and this is Saint Joseph. So what we got next? We got next Saint Cyril and Methodius on the right. On the left we got Saint Francis Xavier. And let's start left this time. Saint Xavier, Saint Cyril. The sun is coming really nice now for cool pictures. That's Patrick Hill, by the way. Is it Patrick Hill? I think it's the monastery. I'm not sure. We will go anyway today on that also. And next is Saint John the Baptist. And here it's Saint Christopher. So moving on, we got Saint Nopet, Wincelas and Sigismund. I know I said it wrong, but they're hard words. And on the left it's Saint Francis Borgia. It's a cool way to see the bridge without the crowds. I need to take some pictures, by the way, so let me take some pictures and we will continue from here. Okay guys, moving on, it's the most important statue. It's the oldest and the only bronze statue here in Charles Bridge, and it's Saint John Nepomuc. I read a few things about it. I read that if you touch it, good fortune will come to you. So many people touch this statue, and as you can see there, it has different color. It's like the one that we saw in Italy with the bronze bear. So let's touch it and see. We made our wish. We will find out if it comes true. And on the other side, let me put the map again up. We got Saint Ludmila, and we almost came to the end. Next is Saint Anthony of Padua on the right, and then on the left Saint Francis of Assisi. This is Saint Jude, and the map was acting funny. There's so much things to see here in Prague, seriously. So on the map it says that this is Saint Augustine and Saint Nicholas of Tolentino. Smiling statues. We got here Saint Cajetan. This is what I'm looking. So it goes up and down. This one maybe Saint Philip and Saint Adalbert, maybe. This is also in our list, the other side of the tower. I think this one is Saint Vitus, another important statue here on Charles Bridge. And then we got on the left Saint John of Malta, Felix of Valois and Ivan. There's so many here. Like 2, 4, 6, 5, no, actually 2, 4, 5 and a dog and some other inside here. This looks like a little bit creepy statue. And coming up next, it's one of the most important saints of Prague, Saint Wenceslas. put here. And this side is the Holy Savior with Cosmas and Damian. So I think we've done all the statues. And that one is the lesser town bridge tower, and also I will be climbing up later on. So that's the Charles Bridge. 3 minutes from Charles Bridge we arrived at John Lennon's wall. John Lennon from Beatles, and it's a wall with graffiti, and this graffiti started on 1980, which was symbolizing the freedom of speech. John Lennon never came here, by the way. It became just a burial of John Lennon after his murder, and it's another popular spot, and there are no crowds now. That's why I put it to see it very early in the morning. And here is the wall, and that's the figure of John Lennon. I think there's also some lyrics from his songs. It's not that beautiful as a graffiti, but it doesn't have to be. It's freedom of doing whatever you like and expressing yourself the way you like. Let's go a little bit closer. Different names. So I will put my camera away, get my phone out, take some pictures now that there are no crowds. See you in a bit. Next up, it's the Narrowest Street of Prague. It's just 5 minutes from John Lennon's wall. It should be around here. I cannot see. Maybe it's too narrow, maybe, I don't know. The map says it should be here, and the time is 8:40. I took longer than I was expecting because of the pictures, but that's fine. We got a full day, and from here we go to the Prague Castle. Oh, these statues also are famous. Don't know too much. They are like a pink statues, and I think they're turning. But they are not turning anything right now. It's Franz Kafka Museum here. I didn't know it was here. But the narrowest street in Prague, I cannot see it. Let me look around, and when I find it, I will show you. Just came down from the pink statues, and look at this view, guys. This is Charles Bridge from a different angle. See, sometimes getting lost is really helpful. This is the other side of the area. Yeah, so people going on these rocks and take pictures, but how do they go down? Possibly through that side there. But anyway, I will give you one more time about the street, and then we are off to Prague Castle. So the only thing that I found that is close to as a narrow street is this one, which looks like a narrow street, but why would it be close? I have no idea. I don't understand what they're saying. It's a personal restaurant. That's really strange. I thought there was some traffic lights and stuff, but anyways, we may come back afterwards on the way back and we see. I will be walking to Prague Castle. It says it's only 40 minutes, but there is no way because it's uphill. In front of me we got the St. Nicholas Church. I have it for later to visit it. You can go up and admire some views, and behind you can see the lesser town Tower, also known as Malastrana. And Malastrana is one of the oldest neighborhoods in Prague. So not only that, I wanted to pass from the St. Nicholas Church and then end up to Nerudova Street before I go to Prague Castle. Nerudova Street, it's another famous street with really nice colorful houses for pictures, and yeah, it has like souvenir shops there. I think that's what I was reading, and I want to end up there and then go to Prague Castle. I'm not sure if there is a way from there to Prague Castle, but if there is a will, there is a way. So yeah, this is the St. Nicholas Church, really huge church. But when we come after, I will tell you also a few things about the church. I will not do that now. So let's head up to Nerudova Street and we see how the day will go. Hop. So we're going around the church. This is the front of the church, and you can see the top of, I think, Vitus Cathedral, and it seems it's close by. But the Nerudova Street, it should be around here, because it says that you go in around this area and then you turn left. So I think if we turn left from over there, we will be at the Nerudova Street. Got something here. What is this? Whatever it is, it looks really impressive. But the church is even more impressive because it's huge. So I think I'm already on the halfway mark. Look how steep it is. This is all uphill. So guys, I made it at the end of the Nerudova Street, and seriously, I think it was totally worth the struggle, the uphill. And look at this. This is what you will come across when you search on Google about the Nerudova Street. These beautiful houses, the colorful houses, and on the back you can see the dome of St. Nicholas Church, and it's just beautiful. I'm not sure where the stairs lead. Maybe it leads to Prague Castle. I need to Google about that. But another cool thing that you need to do is this street, hradu. I think there are some very nice views of the town when you turn and go to that side there. I wasn't expecting to find the entrance of the Prague Castle here. That's the main entrance of the Prague Castle. That's the first courtyard. You get also a Starbucks, which is closed, but yeah, you got the Starbucks, the Prague Castle. On the back, I think that's the Strahov Monastery, where we go later on. And also we will visit the Petrin Tower, which is that thing there. And look at these views, guys. Imagine having a coffee here with these views. What a better way to start your day. But unfortunately it's closed. I don't know what time they open. Let me go closer and we'll find out. They open at 10. Actually, the gate was open of the Starbucks. So I will take you to see closer look over here. So if it's open, then you can bring your own drinks maybe and just sit here. Yeah, they had a lock, but just someone push it